Day, which also happens to be eclipse day.
A lot going on.
Yeah, unfortunately. I mean, Monday is going to be what could potentially be a big weather day for us. But the good news first, I don't think the storms will occur during the eclipse. The bad news is we're going to see clouds from those storms that will form later in the day, which might obscure the view. So as of right now, I do have a 70% coverage of cloud cover as we move into about that 1 to 2 o'clock time frame. And temperatures are also going to be in the 70s as well. So mostly cloudy, 70% cloud cover, and then these storms will arrive later in the day. I'll talk about those storms a little later on in the day, a little later on in this weather segment. Let's go ahead and talk temps. We are in the lower 80s for some portions of East Texas, including Henderson at 83. Now Tyler is at 79. It's 80 in Lufkin, 79 in Nacogdoches. And it's quite a bit warmer than where we were at this point yesterday. 5 to 12 degrees warmer to be exact. 51 tonight, so it will be warmer tonight, but still a little bite to the air as you wake up tomorrow morning. So remember the jackets in the morning. You won't need them in the afternoon because highs will be well into the 80s. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the slight risk of severe weather we have on Monday. That's Monday's severe weather threat for damaging wind gusts and some large hail potentially, maybe tornadoes, maybe not. Lots of maybes, lots of mights, lots of ifs on the type of severe weather we will see, but we will clear that up in the coming days. Tuesday has its severe weather risk as well, and we are right in the bullseye for that one, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and talk about Futurecast. There's not a lot going on between now and midnight early Sunday morning, so we're going to start this at that time. Your front is off to the west. That front is going to move across the area. That will provide us enough lift to see a little bit of rain early Sunday morning, perhaps lingering into the evening for our southeastern counties there. The front's going to lift back to the northwest, and because of that, that should provide us an influx with Gulf moisture, which is part of the reason why we are dealing with the cloud cover around the time of the total solar eclipse. So don't expect much, but there is still a chance that we see a few breaks in the clouds, but by late Monday evening, we're starting to see our first round of storms, and then we will see additional rounds of storms through Tuesday afternoon, another severe weather threat, and this could potentially last us until Wednesday. So I said there are a lot of mights, maybes, and ifs to all the weather forecasting we're doing for next Monday. Here's something I'm very confident in. We're going to see a lot of rain. 1 to 2 inches for our western counties, 2 to 4 for our central and eastern counties. Again, those totals will change prior to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which will bring us the heaviest rain. But I am fairly confident that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday we see quite a bit of rain, and I'm also fairly confident that unfortunately we will see clouds during the total solar eclipse Monday.
Yeah, okay, a lot to watch for then.